Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Pinterest experience organized and revisit your favorite ideas quickly, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the simple steps to view your favorites pins on Pinterest, updated for the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your saved content. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Look for the one labeled Pins. Tap on the Pins tab, and you'll see a collection of all the pins you've saved over time. Here's where it gets even easier. At the top of this section, you'll spot an option called Favorites. Go ahead and tap on Favorites. Instantly, Pinterest will filter your pins, showing you only the ones you've marked as favorites. This makes it super convenient to find the ideas, inspirations, and projects you love most, without having to scroll through your entire pin collection. Favorites are a great way to separate your top picks from the rest, whether it's recipes you want to try, DIY projects, fashion inspiration, or travel destinations. You can add pins to your favorites at any time by tapping the star icon on any pin, and they'll show up right here in your favorites section. That's all there is to it. By following these quick steps, opening the Pinterest app, going to your profile, tapping the Pins tab, and selecting Favorites, you can easily keep track of your most loved pins and find them whenever you need a little inspiration. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Pinterest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.